Hello friends, Python list is an important topic to be considered in Python and in data science and so as in machine learning. Now moving on the topic, how to assign a list. If you put square bracket around any integer string, it will consider as a list. Here we pass apple, banana, cherry, kiwi, mango to a list 1, and this is how a list appears. Access item. If you want to access any of the items from a list, you need to know their indices. 0 index is apple, 1 index is banana, cherry, kiwi and mango is 4. The list index always starts from 0 and the index 4 will be mango. If you will pass index 1, that will be a banana. Now moving on to the next, negative indexing. Negative indexing means beginning from the end. -1 refer to the last element and -2 refer to second last element. As we can see here, list 1 -2. -2 means kiwi. If you will put -1, you can see the last element is mango. Range of an index. You can specify a range of index by specifying where to start and where to end the range, while specifying the return value will be a new list with a specified item. As you can see, starting range is 0 and ending range is 2, and colon is used for ranging purpose. So it will start from 0 index, apple, banana and cherry. 0 1 0 1 2, but last index is not considered, so it will result into item only. And moving on to the next, how to change a list index at 1. 1 index is occupied by a banana string. Now it will replace by a black currant. Now going through it. Next is looping through a list. Apple, banana, cherry, kid and mango is stored in a list 1 for x in a list. List will pass apple into x, then it will print, then list will go into next index, it pass into x and it will print, cherry will pass in x, then print, list kiwi x print, list mango x print, and you can see the result by yourself. First apple, banana, cherry, kiwi and then mango. Check if item exists. You can check the item if it is exist in a list by using the in keyword. If apple in list 1, it will print yes it's present or else nothing is there. And if you want to check it's working on app, it's not in the list, so it will give nothing is there. Now to get the length of a string, we use a function length, and it will tell the how many items or elements are there in the list. adding list to item to a list to the end of the list using the append method. It will add an orange to the end of a list. Before it was -1 position was of mango, now it will be of orange. Now moving on to the next, inserting into the list. Insert is a function we have two arguments. First is indices, at what index you want to insert the string or an integer, and the second argument is a string or an integer which you have to insert. Now it pass 1, so after the apple it will appear the orange and then banana. And there is another other function used in list to remove an string from it. It remove the orange and it will appear to be oranges disappear from the list. And pop keyword. Pop method remove the specified index or the last item index if it is not specified. Okay, now it will remove orange from the end. Delete index 0, it will remove the apple from the starting, and this will remove the list from the Python. It will no longer be exist. See, name list one is not defined. So again we have to define it. So we have to learn more about that. So we have to continue for that. List one, clear list one. It will clear all the data. It will pass. Return an empty list. So copying a list is not like that list 2 equals to list 1, because if you will do list 1 equals to list 2, then it will pass the address of list 1 indices to the list 2. If you will do the changes in list 1, it will correspondingly change the value of list 2. So we use the copy a list method, as you can see over here. So the list is ABC is copied in the list 2, and the another way to copy a list is it's a casting method. If you will pass any string or a integer list to it, it will be assigned to a list. And joining a two list together, there are several ways to join or concatenate two or more lists in Python. One of the easiest way to use is addition sign. So as you can see, now list 3 will result in ABC123, ABC123, and this is the another method to join to list. It's as you have seen above, append is used to add the element from the last indices. So as we know, the list 1 has A, B, C in it, and list 2 has 1, 2, 3 on it. So it will first append 1, then 2, and then 3 to the list 1. So the result will be ABC 1, 2, 3. And there is another method called extend. Same, the result will be same. These two methods are usually used to do to add or to join two lists or more. Last is list method. To reverse the list, we use a reverse function in list. so it totally reverse the items in it. Last element to the first element, second last element to the second element, and vice versa. And another is a short list one dot short function is used to sort the list in ascending order. As you can see, if you sort this integer in ascending order, you will get 12, 23, then 56, 57, 67, and then 78. Thank you. That was all for the list in Python.
Thanks for watching. Hope you like the video. Please share and comment below. Hit the subscribe button for more update. See you guys tomorrow.